Hi everybody, this is Shauna and this is Ring Light Crafts. Welcome. I've been trying to finish up these cupcakes and I made several videos and I didn't like how they turned out, so we're trying this again for the third time. Well, okay, fourth time. So anyways, what I did is you get this spackle at the Dollar Tree if you just want to test it out and try it for yourself. Okay, it's $1, so that makes it $1.08 for a little, 6-ounce container. Then you pick your color that you want your frosting to look like, okay? On this one I did pick turquoise, but I just happened to grab this. This is pink. Just want to show you, it's just a little vial or a little container of acrylic paint. You can get these at the Dollar Tree for $1, but they're like a tube, type of tube now. Or you can go to Walmart and they're 50 cents, so 50 cents you can get two for the price you pay one at the Dollar Tree. Or you can just pick them at the Dollar Tree. I do believe it may be a little bigger, like 3 ounces at the Dollar Tree instead of 2 ounces at Walmart. But you can't beat the price. So, pretend this is for I open it up. When you first open this up, it's pure white, okay? What I did is I put my paint in there, choice of color, just enough that you mix it in there. You just go ahead and get your silverware, whatever. You just mix it in there, the color you want it. We're just pretending this is full. So I got this beautiful turquoise color here. And just so you know, when you do open this up, it will be more thick and kind of clumpy and kind of fall apart. Some of them kind of like clay. This is not clay. If you can help it, wear gloves. I'm out. And definitely not edible, you guys. So I have to say that, you know, because that's just the way it goes with lives. You must tell everything you can about them. Once you get this and stick and you're trying to mix it, feel free to add a little bit of water. Doesn't matter what the brand is. Turn it this way. Doesn't matter what the brand is. You just add a little bit of water in there. Just a little. And pretend it's full. And you just go right ahead and mix it up. Now the reason why you want to add water to it is this can be kind of thick. Now you don't want it to be thick. You want to be able to put it into your little squeeze things. Sorry guys, Grandpa's home. He has a flu like everybody else. And that way you are able to squirt it out through the little tube. Now this, I did get the little tube set at the Dollar Tree as well, and I managed to put my hand through every single one of them. So I am using a plastic bag that I would normally throw into the recyclable, but you know me, you got to use everything you can. So let's hope I don't put my hand through this one. Baby, I'll quit. That's my dog. Quit. Thank you. So we're going to go ahead and take our cupcake here. As you can tell, I pre-did this. I didn't like it. I tore it apart. So we're going to try it again. Now, I did put it in here. It's a little runny. And I want to put my hand here because that's where my hole's at. And all you're going to do is just pick a spot that you want to work from. Get that to squeeze through here. Now, remember, if it's too thick, you're going to have to go back, open it up, add water, and mix it again. This may be too thick now. But we're going to go ahead and we're just going to go right ahead and apply it. Just like you would if you're frosting a cupcake, you guys. Something a little fancy. Mine's going to stop because I don't have the little roly-poly thing to go around it. Baby Elle's going to start playing for us all. I don't know. This is so not working either. Okay, we're going to do it anyways. And we're just going to go right ahead and keep going around. Baby Elle, careful, honey. And we're just going to go right ahead again. There we go. Just get it to go through your bag. If you can, try to keep it all going at the same density. I'm having some problems with that. But we're not going to quit. Let's just go right ahead. Now this will take about 24 hours to dry, you guys. So put them up if you have little wee ones, because they do look like, you know what, and they're not. So just go right ahead, keep going around, around, around. Just cover it up. When you connect the pump, just keep it going. Unfortunately, mine is getting hard, so I got to readjust it every time. And we'll just go right back around. But if you can just do this at the one shot, woohoo, you got it made. Yeah, mine is so not being my friend today. This is number 5, guys. 5th time trying this. So we're just going to keep going. See how nice that would be if it just went the whole time all the way around and then quit playing games with me. So I'm going to go ahead and try to squeeze down what we got left in here. As you can tell, I put a hole in this one too. So I'm just like really good at this, putting holes in stuff, that is. And we're just going to go right ahead, come back where we left off, and just continue. Come on, let's just do it in one. So I'm hoping you guys get the idea. I have several videos of this. I will pick the best one and put it up. It doesn't like me, you guys. Okay, let's just finish it. Let's top it. And there we go. Let's just go ahead. There we go. We got it nice and topped here. If you want, you can bring it way out real high, you know. Make it real cool looking. We're just going to set that right there. Okay, I'm not going to set that right there. It's not going to let me. So we're just going to hold on to it. I just want to get this off my hands. I'm going to sit it in this. Since it's already a mess, let's just see. Yay, it won't. Alright. So we're just going to set it right there for a minute. Get this off my hands. Now, another step is, you may want to decorate it. Maybe add a little bit of glitter. We're just going to add this old glitter that I use on everything. You know, you don't throw nothing away until you can use it up. This one's used for everything, so let me take the green one out. There we go. And we just got our little glitter going here. If you want, feel free to just kind of lightly tap it. But I'm not going to worry about it because it's so nice and wet. It's just going to hang on to it. Now, another thing you can do with this at this point is your little Easter eggs. If you have any, feel free, you know, put one right on top. With little Easter carrots. Wait, let me grab my eggs, guys. I'm sorry. Oops. My eggs are attached. They're not coming off or coming free. So that's not going to work. So we're going to pretend I put a little egg right in the middle there because my eggs are actually stuck on that project over there. Now our next step is, you guys, and our last step, once this dries, okay? So we're just going to pretend it's dry. I had a ton of dollies. I can't say it. So we're just going to grab one of these. Okay, guys. Don't worry about the paintbrush. It's the little wooden thing you hear. If you get them from the Dollar Tree, okay, they're thinner. It'd be a lot easier. Mine, I don't know why everything was moved off my desk. So anyways, I can't locate mine. So let's pretend this is dry. Yeah, I'm going to put my hand through it right now. But that's okay. And once these are dry, you want to turn them into picks. All you got to do is at the bottom, let me just go ahead and hold it upside down. Take your knife or your little wooden spear, if you will, and just put a hole right in the middle of it. And if I can get a hold of this, I can do it with this. And we're just going to get a hole going right through the bottom, okay? Once you figure out the size, if it's big enough, you know what? We're going to use this pen and pretend this is the wood. I'm just going to stick it right in there, you guys, okay? That's when you got any pens that are no longer any good. You can use those as well. Stick that in there, pull it out, add your hot glue, and then stick it back in there. That way you know it's in there for good. And there you have it. Now you got your little cupcake ready to go as a pick inside any of your wreath projects, or maybe an Easter garland, whatever you're making. So just real simple, cheap to make. Hopefully your bag don't die like mine did, but easy cleanup as well. Remember, once again, wear gloves or you end up with something like this and it's a bigger mess. But I think they're kind of cool, although you can tell I hit it when I put it down. But that's okay. So anyways, I'm asking.
Like a rose.
Yeah, like a rose, it does. I would put like a little carrot or something right on top, or an egg. They're really cool like that. but I guess I used all my eggs. So there you have it. Now you got a cupcake pick. You can make these any size you want. Just follow part 1, and the different sizes actually will depend on the little cup holders as well. You guys, like, you want the little gumdrops even, you can make just like this, and they're a lot of fun. Remember, adults only. It is chemicals, and I'm going to just set this right aside here, and there we go. So I hope you guys like this little tutorial, and don't forget to enjoy, have fun. Let me know what you think of it, and as always, be blessed.